DREMEL-VERSATIP is a multifunctional butane soldering torch for people engaged in creative and detailed projects that require precision, versatility, and portability. It comes in an elegant tin that enables for convenient carry of the whole set. User manual is written in different languages. It is equipped with an ignition trigger, a safety lock, and a flame lock-on for continuous use. The set includes different tips that you can screw to a catalyst or put on a flame guard, such as a white flame head, a deflector, a shaping knife, a cutting knife, a soldering tip, and a holder tip. The set also contains a storage cup, a solder, 2 wrenches for screwing the tips, and soldering tins, with and without a sponge.